Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring Git is installed. Run Git version to confirm. Once you see a version, decide whether to set identity globally or just for one repository. Now, type git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you at example. Com to set a global identity. If you prefer repository-only settings, omit global inside the repo. This establishes commit metadata so authorship is correct across pushes and logs. Once done, verify your settings with git config list to view all keys. Make sure user, name and user, email appear as expected. If you need to inspect one value, run git config user, email to print it. To correct mistakes, run git config global user. Email new at example. Com or drop global to change only the current repository. You can also edit. Git/config directly for per repo tweaks, but use commands to avoid syntax errors and preserve proper form. Finish by confirming pushes show the right author on the remote. If a past commit used the wrong identity, amend it with git commit amend author equals name email for the latest commit. For many commits, use git filter branch or git filter repo carefully. If you encounter push failures after changes, make sure remote authentication and cached credentials match the new email and that the remote accepts rewritten history. If needed, force push only with team agreement to avoid conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.